Hello, and welcome to another update video about Jasmy. We haven't covered Jasmy for the last few days, or last couple of weeks actually. I have been updating it from time to time on Discord, but yeah, not too much happened. The price dipped into the support region. Now we see a first reaction to that support zone. As I always say, the levels matter, not so much the wave count itself, because the levels are where, you know, where scenarios start to break and they tell us which scenarios are still kept alive, and sometimes pullbacks can be shallow, but really below 1.1 cents I have no reliable bullish scenario left. However, we are still way above that level, so there could still be one more high in yellow wave 5 in this bull market. For now, I'm just watching if wave 4 is already over. That's at the moment not expected. Especially considering if I go to the, I need to go to the daily chart. If I go to the daily chart, you can see that we have this initial 1-2 setup. Then it's getting a bit messy and difficult, but my interpretation is that this is another 1-2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, okay? So in my main interpretation, we have 3 waves that topped here, and this is a 4th wave. Yep, maybe as an ABC structure, it might have already topped and we're in a new bear market. I don't believe that. That's not preferred. No, the interpretation is that we are in a wave 4, probably this wave degree, yellow, yeah, belonging to this wave 2, and then we could get one more high. Well, saying that, I mean, it is possible that the 3rd only topped here, and this is this 4th, and we get one more high, right? We will have to see. This is possible. That means we could get 2 more highs instead of just 1 more high. But either way, again, the levels would be the same. You know, the support area would be the same. The price would, in both scenarios, find support in the orange box and give us 1 more high, maybe 2. So in the short term, however, if we really are in the yellow scenario, yeah, then I will probably have to label that just to show here. This would be yellow, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. That means at the moment we can watch for a possible B wave rally, which might overshoot, and we have an internal A wave, we have an internal B wave pullback, and C wave rally. And this C wave should reach at least 4.17 cents. However, if we can get to 5 cents, 5.7 cents and beyond, then I will assume that we already bottomed here. It's likely not going to be this large a wave 4. Let me put the other scenario actually on the chart. Let me put that, I can take out some of the micro counts, we don't need them. So yellow is the one that we've just talked about, all right? The yellow scenario where we are likely in a larger 4th wave with support at 1.1 cents and then 1 more high. So it's not a bearish count, it's a bullish count, but allows for another test of support. Or this could even turn into a triangle. I mean, but it's way too early for that. Well, in an alternative scenario, yep, we have a wave 1 here, we have a wave 2, but the 3rd only topped up here, and I will change the color of that. So it would be like that. So the white count would allow basically for 1 more high. This would include, 1 second. This would include, or this would mean that somewhere in here there was another 1-2 setup. I don't see that 1-2 setup, okay? And it would be still, you know, then this would mean this was just another internal wave 4. Yeah, I mean, it would have to be something like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for an internal. That just for anybody who's interested to see how this would be counted. But see, I don't know. There's no. This is where it's getting a bit ambiguous, right? But also where it doesn't really matter because the support area is relevant for both scenarios. So, and then obviously in the white count, we would say alternative 3 up there. Need to change the size of that. No, not larger, rather smaller. So where we say, okay, you know, if this is already if this is already the next move up, then I would call that a fifth wave. And then we get a larger fourth even afterwards. So yeah, just indicating, hope that's clear, that we get like in the white count a little bit more upside. And why am I saying that? I'm saying that because if we are now breaking out to the upside, this move down was too weak, not extended enough to be all of this larger fourth wave that belongs to this larger wave 2, which bottomed in August. Hope that's clear. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.